some hairs on that one. White pine has 5 needles per bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stick it in the can. It's gonna be hot. Up closer, maybe. And let that soak in there for a while. A lot of vitamin C in here. You don't want to put it in on the fire because it's too hot, you know, kill all the vitamin C. More cheesy cheddar tossed aside. Got it boiling. Do the taste test. All right, first up, white pine tea. A little bit of pine, it's warm. It's okay, it's not strong. Then I have new utensils, so I just took some sticks and made some chopsticks, but I'm gonna use it kind of more like a spoon. And it looks pretty good. See what my chopstick skills are. Not very good. Got one. Noodles are soft. Cheesy. Oh, hot. George Bob. That's good. All right, beautiful day. First week of spring in Minnesota. Starting a fire with flint and getting all the tinder and kindling and the firewood. And then just using just some basic stuff that you can find, being resourceful, cooking up your stuff, getting some tea, using whatever's available. Got the beautiful National Scenic, St. Croix River National Scenic Riverway right there. Nobody out there. And this is Eagle's Nest Campground. So, hope you enjoyed it. Have fun getting out there and enjoying the beautiful spring. Bye.